Tela wana whailau whaakau. I le tupele na mai le talo for voucher. I le wana whaakau maa mea te mga oi i le voucher. Tai fu i seo whanau i lapsi mai o le talo for voucher o mawai whaakau mane ai o lia so. I ano whaat.
Welcome to the Pacific Business Hub.
Tau tua mare au nanga remote tau sa mo service station nei tona i matu. Ma tau teu tuina lo ta vale, ma le tele onisi o matu au nanga i sesi. Ai le ngata foile, ma tau te seke ina fo ilo ta vale. Siapa lah yang voice wow, mau lah ucapan. Apa itu yang baik pak urusan? Awalnya telepon, matu tu siapa lah yang voice mau lah ucapan. Mulu no posible fia, mua, tapi lah ucapan lepas itu. Mua, tapi lah telefon ni time itu ini lah ucapan. Mana bayang mulu, mana tua fu. E matua I whasaina, lo tau maftapa ai no fuanga whapengi. Mata Samoa, ore mata mo Samoa. Mato te fia e au na pea mo o Samoa. Maftaila fia mai. We'll see you again. God bless.
Talafalava,
Hello.
mahalo soifua, and a warm Pacific greetings to all of our beautiful viewers today here on BluTable Talanoa. Claudia, man, you're looking good today, girl.
After the weekend I had, I feel fantastic.
Yeah.
So looking forward to a new week.
Yep.
Pretty much used my Saturday and Sunday and Friday night to recharge. So.
Recharge. How important is it to recharge? Look, and we hope all of our beautiful viewers have had an amazing weekend because I've had a good weekend as well.
Yes.
Yeah.
Should we share a little bit about weekends?
Yeah, I think we should. I had an amazing weekend with my bellies, so...
So we're obviously having a great day here in the studio. We've both had fantastic weekends.
Yeah.
So we thought, why don't we show you a little bit of what we did over our weekends?
Yeah.
Something new, something different. Probably not something that you would expect me to do, at least.
I'm quite worried to see this footage because it'll be the first time I see Les gone fishing with Claudia.
Yes, I went fishing, guys, believe it or not. And it actually, I won't do any spoilers. I'm actually gonna tell you a little bit about my weekend through these videos and photos, which our producer would put up shortly.
Yeah, I think. You know what? Should we dive straight into
Let's
it?
do it.
Or should we wait for the next?
Let's dive in.
Let's dive into it. Let's check out what Claudia got up to over the weekend.
So this weekend, this is where I was. About an hour away from Whangarei, and I have been instructed that I can't exactly tell you where this place is because it is top secret location, because this is where we went fishing and we found heaps of fish. As you can see, this is the crew. We waited for low tide, and then we climbed these rocks, waited for high tide, put in some burley, had no way of getting off the rocks, but it was great. It was very cold. I think I was wearing like 5 layers. I had like 2 jumpers on, and that's me catching my fish. I nearly lost my fish.
Oh, wow.
So yes, guys, this is my very, very first fish that I've caught in my 28 years of life. I was very proud of it. I was almost lost it, as you could
my
see.
goodness, wife, you up,
Yes,
girl.
I'm
wife,
a woman
you
of
up.
many talents now. And then, of course, we did have this massive brisket that we put. I think Charlie cooked it for about 8 hours. Prepped it for about a day and a half. So there it is there.
Oh my goodness, that looks...
Oh, it was good. My mouth is just watering thinking about it. And then later on that day, we had it for dinner, and there it is.
Oh my goodness.
Absolutely, look, just like butter.
How important is it to recharge, right?
Oh, with
it's
good
Monday
food and recharging like that. Oh my God.
So to all of our viewers who are watching right now, this is how important it is to recharge. Claudia's had a amazing weekend, and oh my goodness.
Yes, we ended our trip with avocado hunting. So my friend's actually in the tree as well. We went to an avocado farm, and we are dressed up very nicely because we did go to church on Sunday as well. So, you know, got to give thanks to God for everything. And actually I wanted to share something with you, which really touched me at church.
Yes.
So one of the brothers said he was experiencing loss.
Yeah.
And I know we've all experienced some loss, and I have experienced some loss recently too. But he said that, you know, sometimes with some angels, God just loves them a little bit more, that he can't wait for them to come back home. So he calls them home earlier. And the tears that we cry for them are just for us to remember them and to remember God. And I just thought that was really beautiful. And to also remember that, you know, the resurrection is real and that there is life everlasting. So that really touched me. I thought that was really beautiful. So for anyone that is experiencing loss, I know it is a Monday, but for anyone that is experiencing loss, just rest assured that they are in a better place and that they are with God in heaven, and they're probably just looking down on us and wondering why we're crying because they're having a blast. So, you know, just hang in there and just, it was a very great weekend. Very spiritual. Recharged.
Recharged.
Caught my first fish and that ate my first fish too that I caught. I felt very manly coming home on Sunday and bringing my mum my fish, bringing Sunday's dinner. So it was cool.
No, I love that. And you know what? You know, here on Monday, we love that Claudia's gone out over the weekend and recharged to make sure that, you know, when she comes back, she brings, you know, she continues to bring that light that she brings daily here on BluTable Talanoa. And if you have any fishing videos that you want us to share, because we thought it was an awesome experience, if you have a video in Samoa, send them through.
I would love to see your fishing videos in Samoa.
Yeah.
Hopefully one day I get a fish there.
Well, I didn't really, I did get asked if you know what happened to my finger, because I sliced my finger over the weekend and I was quite dramatic over it.
I hope it wasn't too bad. Did you need stitches?
When I asked, I said, do I need stitches? And everyone at home in our business said, oh, you're so dramatic, Bear. You don't need stitches. So I've settled for a plaster instead. So yeah, never mind. That's all good. But look, you know, today we've just got a quote as well that I wanted to share because it's Monday, and because Monday is quite a hard day to kind of adjust from the weekend. But we hope that you bring the light we can bring the light every Monday. So here's a quick quote for everyone. Surround yourself with people who talk about vision and ideas, not other people.
That's so good. So that's why I surround myself with you.
Claudia. Wife her up already, man. I think we're going to do a segment about On the Hunt for Claudia. Claudia, I'm so glad that you had an amazing weekend. And that catch of the day. Oh,
it was the catch of the day. Oh, at least the catch of my day. Yeah. So good.
Oh, honestly, round of applause for Claudia. That was awesome. Today, we also wanted to say a massive, massive thank you to our sponsors.
Yes.
For all of our viewers, if you need to send anything over to Samoa, some money, send it through the popular way, which is Pacific Easy. I can guarantee you that not only are you helping the economy with their growth, you're also helping your family in Samoa.
And it's super, super easy.
Yeah.
Do it once and it'll store all your details, and then every other time it's just going to be as easy as that. And also, much faster than scrolling through Instagram and Facebook. So
it's easy. It's just easy. That's it. That's all you need to know. And also a massive, massive thank you to Pacific 40, Malta or Samoa, Say Oriana, the Pacific Business Hub, and SekiWorks. Look, I've heard that Say Oriana's got some pretty awesome sales, winter sale going on right now. So if you are looking for something to wear to that special event, then head over to Say Oriana and she'll be able to hook you up.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah. And you know what? I want to say a special thank you to, I have a very special sponsor. No, not my belly, but we're gonna, let's open up on the show, because myself and Claudia, get sponsored with some outfits. And here we are. So a massive thank you.
Thank you
to our beautiful girl, Flora, who continues to come through with all of our outfits. So let's check this out. What does she get?
Should you just like stick your hand in there and close your eyes?
Check this out.
Are you going to do a little runway fashion show for her as well?
Oh my gosh, thank you so much, darling.
Oh,
this
that's
is
so
beautiful.
cute.
What do you reckon?
That's so cute.
What do you think this is? So
Throw on
that's
some leggings, some boots.
If you've got any fashion tips, man, let us know. That is one dress. What else do we have in here?
Ooh, I think that color looks really nice on you.
Thank you. Check that out. Flora, again, you are just a stunner. You know exactly how to cheer me up on a Monday. So thank you. A shout out to our sponsor.
I'm going to go on a see us on the show tomorrow?
Yeah, actually, comment below which outfit you think I should rock tomorrow. And,
it's like the bag that never stops giving.
This is a bit.
Oh, that's cute.
I think this is for a special.
That's very cute.
Yeah, this is cute, right?
I can
Check
definitely
that
see
out.
you wearing that.
Do you think?
Yes.
I love it. Check that out. And the material's pretty wicked too.
Yes.
But quite sexy though. The print, of course. And what else? There we. Oh my goodness.
Oh, I like
I
that.
love this.
I like that.
Massive shout out to our sponsor who comes through 100 for our team here on BluTable Talanoa. Man, Flora, Whawhitai lover. Always making sure that we look like a snack on the show. Was it snack or snack?
Can be anything you want it to be.
But that doesn't mean that we're still looking for sponsors. So if you want to sponsor our show, you know where to go. So a massive thank you.
Now, which one are you
to
going to wear
Flora.
tomorrow?
I don't know. I think this one.
If you have a preference of which one you think Pea should wear tomorrow, let us know in the comments. And she will do a little runaway show for you.
Oh, no runway.
Yes.
But let's chuck that back in. So yeah, look, a massive thank you to our sponsors. You know, without all of our sponsors, we won't be able to get the show, going. Yeah. And I think the sponsors, I need to just remind everyone again, it's not just about sending money over to our account, it's actually building a platform, helping build our platform so that everyone else can share our platform and share their dreams, their journeys, the Pacific way. And you know, I'm having a really good day today. You know what, let's go into a break because we've got a little bit of we had to watch. I had to watch the rugby game over the weekend, so that was interesting.
So close.
Oh, so close.
So close.
Oh, so close.
Oh,
sorry,
so
Mama
close.
boys. But you know, I'm not gonna say it.
Yeah, I'm sure we're all a little bit wounded
Just a little bit.
from the, I don't want to say the L word, but you know, there wasn't a victory.
Yeah.
But you guys are always winners in our eyes. So
Yeah.
we'll talk a little bit about that after the break.
Straight after this, guys.
Nila wana whailau whaakau. Ili tupele na mai talo for voucher. Nila wana whaakau me te mga oi. Ili voucher. Time for so far now, nila sumayole. Talo for voucher mo wai whaakau me ai ole so. Ya no fat.
Tau tua ma le au nanga le mo tau sa mo service station nei tona i matu. Ma tau te utuina lo ta vale ma le tele ni sio ma tau au nanga i se. Ai le ngata foi le ma tau te sia ke ina fo i lo ta vale. Siapa lah yang voice wow? Mau lah ucapan. Apa itu yang baik pak ulusa? Awalnya telepon, matu siapa lah yang voice mau lah ucapan. Mulu no posibilidad, mua sa pea lau ta avale pea utu. Lua, sa pea lau telefoni i tai me utu ina lau ta avale. Ma le vaenga mulu mulu. Mana tua fo. E matua i whasa aina, lo tau makitapa ai no fuanga whapengi. Mata Samoa, ore mata mo Samoa. Mata te fia e au auna pea mo o Samoa. Maftaile fia mai. We'll see you again. God bless.
Talofa lava everyone and welcome back. It is another day
In paradise.
in paradise, yeah, here on BluTable Podcast. So yeah, we're like we said before, we are all a little bit wounded about
Yeah.
the game on Saturday. Yeah.
We're really sorry, Manu. We know that you guys did extremely well. You know, that first half though, honestly,
Played
Claudia,
very,
I
very
was impressed.
Yeah.
It was super cold, but man, the boys did so well,
Yeah.
man. Giving probably not just me, but
Yeah.
everyone the goosebumps.
I think everyone was like on the edge of their seat because it was a close game, and towards the end, I mean, if they had just done like another try, I think we would have gotten there. 2 more tries, and I think the game would have been ours. But unfortunately, Saturday was not our night. But you guys still did an amazing game, and we're still here to support you 100%. And I think they were at Mangere Town Centre
Yes, they were
today as
They
well.
were, yep.
So if you guys managed to meet boys at Mangere Town Centre, let us know in the comments.
Yep.
Show us some photos. I think that'd be really cool.
Yeah, we've got some photos here as well of the boys. But yeah, look, we've had a few comments from a few people here in the office saying that, you know, there was just a little bit unfair there on the field. But, you know, with the referees. But, you know, just don't worry about it. They did well, which is good. So, yeah, let's check out the photos that we've got here of the boys. They're enjoying their time. They're meeting their awesome fans there in Mangere Town Centre today. There were a lot of people there. So a massive shout out to the team, to Raz, and also to Ben and Malu, one of the coaches there as well. So man, they look pretty happy because you know what? I would be too if we almost won as well, eh?
Yeah.
Unlucky also, it's all good. We're waiting for the game this Saturday, so check out Miss Samoa. Isn't she such a stunner? She's beautiful.
And I just recently found out last week as well that one of our sponsors used to be an ex-Miss Samoa, right?
Yeah.
Falute, you're so stunning.
Falute, yes. So Falute is beautiful, man. She is a stunner, right?
Yeah.
But that was, they had an awesome turnout there at Mangere Town Centre. So a massive, massive shout out to everyone that's gone behind and helped the boys and supported the boys 100%, because that's what it's all about. It's about showing genuine love and support for our Pasifika community. Doesn't matter where you are, your status. Just if you are genuinely there to support the boys to get ahead, you're not only helping the boys, you're helping, you're paving the way for generations to come. So a massive shout out to the team that's been behind the Manu boys 100%. And I know Pacific Easy has been one massive supporter, supporting the boys. So massive thank you to Pacific Easy for making sure that the boys, their dream is, fulfilled, like helping them out. And also 8, Rowdy.
Yes.
Rowdy, stunner.
She's
Beautiful. But Rowdy, a massive shout out to Rowdy as well, who also supports the boys 100, the Manu boys. You know, we know without the sponsors or, you know, the assistance from the individuals, you know, they wouldn't be able to get, you know, it's just awesome. And Rowdy being a female as well.
Oh, she's so beautiful.
Yeah, and we know that
Follow
Rowdy
her on
is
Instagram.
follow
Is it
her on
8 Sports?
8 Sports. Follow Rowdy on Instagram. She advocates for a lot of things, but she's an amazing individual. She's always behind the scenes doing everything. She never takes the credit, and that's the same with Pacific Easy. Never takes any credit. Always helping our Pasifika community move along. But we've also got Pacific 40 as well. We were talking about Miss Samoa. So I know a lot of our viewers have now been looking at ways to help Samoa. We know there's a lot going on in Samoa at the moment, but it doesn't mean that you don't have to go see mum and dad or your family over in Samoa. I know mum and dad last week used a few services as well to send some money over to Samoa. So we're going to show you how to use a Pacific 40 voucher. It's really easy, actually.
super easy.
And it's affordable. I know that my family there in Samoa love the service because it's quick and it's easy. And what it does for the economy in Samoa, it helps smaller businesses out in the remote areas. So not only are you helping mum, dad, cousin, uncles, cousins, friends, you are helping Samoa, you are helping the businesses in Samoa in the remote areas. So it doesn't matter where you are in the world, you can, honestly, you'll be in the good books forever.
Yeah, you want to start collecting those brownie points now that we're only 6 months away from Christmas.
I know, and you know, who knows? We could, hopefully the borders will open soon because I can't wait to go to Samoa.
I can't wait to visit for the first time.
I know. Oh, I can't wait to take you over to Samoa. But we're going to show you right now how easy it is to use a Pacific 40 voucher. There we go.
How to buy a Talofa voucher. So just grab your phone or your iPad or grab your niece's or nephew's phone, click on the internet icon, open up and type in www.pacific40.com.
Click on Talofa Voucher Samoa or Tonga, that easy, from anywhere around the world.
You should now see the homepage, scroll up and down to select the service that you want.
And seriously, there's also a treat there for everyone in Samoa. So if someone's running low on gas, click on service station. We need to travel a bit, right?
I really can't wait. So select from the list of service stations that is close to your family or friend.
For example, let's just click on Malta Samoa, who is also one of our sponsors, so thank you.
And then you select the amount of fuel that you want to purchase. In this case, we're selecting 30, but you can select much more than that if you want.
Yep. Once you've selected your amount, then you just click on cart. It's really easy. Remember, if you've already sent a Talofa voucher before, the details will already be saved there. So doesn't matter when you're enjoying your coffee. There you go. It's that easy. Click proceed to check out.
And the website will do all the currency exchange for you, so you don't even have to worry about that.
And did you know that 30 tala converts to a lot more than that? Like $30 New Zealand.
Oh, yes.
Sorry. Yeah.
And then your sender details are your details. So in this case, my name is John Doe, but we all know my name is Claudia.
Is it really? Claudia?
Yes.
Look at how easy it is. Honestly, I use the service frequently. It's so simple. It really, really is. As soon as you've entered the details, you must complete the form of the correct phone number and the details of the person you're sending the voucher to. Remember, they will be checking the number, so make sure you don't send it to the wrong person.
No. Yeah.
You don't want to send it to Sina when you're supposed to send it to Steph. But it's easy to get it mixed
it's an easy
up.
mistake to do, and a mistake you don't want to be doing. And then you enter your bank card number details, and then again, the website can store all of this information for you if you want, so you don't have to keep repeating it. And then once you're done, you click place your order. And I think we're pretty much towards the end of the process, aren't we?
Yep, that's it.
Super easy. And then the receiver in Samoa will get a text immediately with their voucher number and details, and that is all you do.
Voila,
Super easy.
finito is finished, and then all you will get is te kero.
Yes. Kiro, that brings me back to the first episode.
Look, guys, it's that easy to go see mum, dad, cousin, and even if you're just running a little bit low on, money, this week. So this week I'm not really feeling it in the pocket. So you know what? I will probably send maybe $30, and that will give them around, I think, about $50, 50 tala, and that's enough to get some school lunches for the kids. And I tell you, you know what? Oh, manguianga. That means that's your blessings, right? But look, this we've got some comments here. Tara, thank you so much, Tara.
It is very cool, yes.
But that's us with the Talofa voucher. If you need to get a hold of any of our sponsors with regards to their service, we will have their details up on our Facebook pages, or you can see the link below. So don't forget, Malta, if you are in Samoa, check out Malta of Samoa. And don't forget, on Thursday, you can put your name into the drawer to win some vouchers there in Samoa. We're going to go into a break because right after this, we're going to talk a little bit about our photo shoot that's been happening over the weekend. Right?
Yes, and if you haven't seen the photos yet, you're going to have to. And we will show you the photos because it's absolutely stunning.
It is.
Breathtaking.
Right after the break, guys. Stay tuned.
Tau tua ma le au nanga le mo tau sa mo service station nei tona I matu. Ma tau teu tuina lo ta vale ma le tele o nisi o matu au nanga ese ese. Ai le ngata foi le ma tau te sia ke ina fo ilo ta vale. Siapa lah yang voice wow, mau lah ucapan. Apa itu yang baik pak ulusa? Awalnya telepon, matu siapa lah yang voice mau lah ucapan. Mulu no posila fia, mua tapi lau tak vale Pea out. Mua tapi lau telefon ni time out ina lau tak vale. Malah baenga mulu. Mana tua fo? E matua I pasa ina, lo tau maftapa ai no fuanga pape. Samoa. Ore mo Samoa Samoa. Ma do te fia e au auna pea mo o Samoa. Maftaile fia mai. We'll see you again. God bless.
How's it going, everyone? It's Monday. We've just been dancing on the break and we've been talking a little bit about our busy weekend. Did you know that Kiribati Language Week is coming up?
Doesn't it start
This weekend.
Yes.
So it's going to be absolutely crazy for our team here at Blue. So we've got a few of the students heading in from the Ministry of Pasifika people. So again, a massive shout out to the Ministry of Pasifika people who continue to push the languages through for our people, because it's not about us, it's not about our program, it's not about Ministry of Pasifika, it's about our people.
About you.
Yeah, it is about our viewers. So just continue to watch. Doesn't matter if you're Samoa, Tonga, Cook Island. Support our people, because it's about acknowledging their language and honouring our brothers and sisters of their Kiribati. So that's happening this weekend.
I am so excited.
I'm excited too, because I get to wear my blue. We have a blue wave uniform, which I have yet to alter, because I need to alter it a little bit, because
Higher?
no.
Okay, good, because I was like, do we need the dress to be higher?
the dressmaker, a shout out to the dress maker who designed some of our dresses. So thank you so much.
I was a little bit worried there for a second. I was like, I don't know if you want your dress to be any higher.
No. We're not gonna. No, we're not gonna make
You're
it
a married woman. I'm sorry, but those days are long gone.
This is a long. Look, we've got a photo here of the beautiful Daisy. If you are looking for someone to take your photos, your culture photo shoots, then you already know where to go. Check the beautiful Daisy
Doesn't
out.
she look beautiful, guys? Now, Daisy, you might recognize her because she was actually also the model for the photos that we took for, say, Oriana. So look at her doing her thing again. And I think we may be starting to convince her to actually do more modeling for us, because isn't she just gorgeous?
That is, yeah. And you know, the thing with this photo, I loved how we shared it this morning. It said to be the light for someone, be that person. And I believe it. I really do. I am I am that person, Claudia, even though my family
light of
said,
my life.
be the light of someone's life. Claudia hasn't, she's the light of my life here when I come into BluTable Talanoa. So, and I know that Claudia will be the light of someone's life soon. So when you do become the light of Claudia's life, you better believe that I'm going to put up a fight. But yes, that was our team over the weekend. We did have the former Miss Samoa and her beautiful family captured with Blue, and we've had so many shares with the former Miss Samoa and Miss South Pacific. So
Gorgeous family.
Owner of Pacific 40, took her photos here and her culture photos, and they looked absolutely stunning.
So make sure you head over to Blue Wave, Facebook and Instagram, and check out all the photos. Like, subscribe, follow, share, and also make sure you book in your photo shoots, because oh my god, they're just beautiful.
And it's on Afterpay.
Yes, it's on Afterpay, guys, now. So
that's my favorite form of payment is Afterpay. So if you can't,
and it doesn't have to break the bank, right?
No,
You
it doesn't.
Just pay in installments.
installment.
And you're going to get a beautiful memory and a beautiful photo. And what more could you ask for? Makes for a great Christmas present,
Yeah.
birthday present, anniversary present. Maybe you want to take your photo with your significant other for an anniversary coming up.
Yeah, maybe
Yeah.
your significant other.
Wants to buy it for you. Is that what you're trying to say?
Look, we've been talking a little bit about Claudia's weekend, and she's had an awesome weekend.
So did this year, lady.
Yeah, so I don't often talk about our weekend. It has been quite busy for a small family business, which is Vaitolo Celebrations. So we've got a few photos here of the services that they provide, which happens to be Pacific owned. So here's a few photos that we've got here.
And you do this all by yourself, don't you? And your family, your
No.
family business?
I wish. I don't think I would be able to handle. But this is just a few photos of an event that's happened at a venue. So we've put a few photos all together there. So yes, that's how. And garlands are actually quite popular. Very, very. Mr. Mariner there wants you want to be the light. Mr. Mariner, you can book your wedding with us, and it's I do from Claudia. So there we have it. And this was my favorite. There you go, Willie. Wills, that's for you. That was an engagement party as well. How awesome is that? Check that out. And she did the bride to be said I do. So
yes.
that was a very nice and intimate setup that the girls did. So a massive shout out to Valu and to Weta, Siolo, and also Fala, the whole team who continue to push forward. But Wills, you know where to book your. Check that out. And this is actually one of the girls from Fit Family, Gloria. Doesn't she look amazing? She attended a 21st birthday that we actually styled over the weekend. So a massive whawhitai lover to Anthony, Lee, and also to Steph and Floretta as well, who celebrated her 21st over the weekend as well. So that's that's when the lights are out, and this is a photo of when the lights are
Oh,
on.
wow.
Yeah.
That's
the
so
new
cool.
thing at the moment. So
I love that so much.
yes, so it was actually the first time in a long time I've actually had to do some real work. So we've had to go back into storage. Quite a busy weekend, but it is every weekend. But you know what I love about my weekends is I love that I have a really good friend of mine who continues to message through to make sure everything's okay. And also with my family, like I have an amazing family who continue to show that love and support. But I also have some really, really good friends. So a massive shout out to my friend who continues to show so much love and support for all that I do. So honestly,
That's
every
amazing.
weekend, are you okay? How's it going?
That's amazing.
Let me know if you need a hand. So yeah, thank you so much to my friend. I was like, yeah, just my finger there. But also Wills, Wills. Claudia is available, so you know where to get in contact with her. This is not a dating app, okay? But yeah, a massive shout out to Tara, a massive shout out to Wills. Thank you so much for your comments. Yes, we did have the Manu boys lined up here for this coming week. So don't forget to continue to tune in. Like we mentioned earlier on, or last week, the boys have been extremely busy. They will be playing Tonga this weekend.
Now, who do you think's going to win?
Who do you
And what's
think-
your prediction?
I think Tonga's going to win. Yep, that's right. I
Now,
said it.
what was the score between
MNT.
Tonga and the All Blacks?
It was. I think it was.
No, don't answer that question. Maybe some things are better left unsaid.
But hey, look, they played against the
I
All
love the
Blacks.
Tongans though. Please don't hate me.
Yeah, so shout out to our Tongan toko sosi. Don't worry, we won't mock you when you come into work. But yeah, well, who do you think's going to win this week?
Oh, see, after my little comment just then, I prefer not to answer.
You know, I think it's going to be a close game.
I think it's going to be a really great game.
Even though Samoa did really well with, I have to say it, with the B team. They did well. But I think Tonga's going to give them a really good go.
Yep. So
I really do.
If anyone out there wants to sponsor us some tickets to the game, we're not going to say no because we would love to be there. We can do a live from the game. So just a thought.
Honey, I've already got tickets for the game.
Oh, well, if someone wants to sponsor me,
if someone wants to sponsor
the game,
Claudia,
I can be your +1.
Take her as your +1. I can get that organised. You just need to. But no, I think Tonga. I think Tonga.
You think Tonga?
Yeah.
We're just going to have to wait and see. Let us know in the comments who you think is going to win and what your prediction is going to be.
Yeah, I'm actually looking forward to the game. But don't forget also, if you haven't already, go over to our, head over to our YouTube channel.
Yep.
We're on YouTube, guys. Can you believe it? Don't forget to hit like, share some love, and just watch it once, please, Wills, not 10 million times.
Or keep it on repeat while you're sleeping so we can like...
Look, we do have a special guest tomorrow.
Yeah.
I can't wait.
Yes, we will let you know tomorrow.
Yep.
On the Blue Wave page. So make sure you have liked and follow our page to know who we're going to bring on the show.
Yeah, and I'm actually excited for our morning routine, our new morning routine that we have together. We're going to capture that as well. But I'm actually really excited for it. It's going to be my first time. Wow.
Oh, guys, you know what? We've got even more exciting news. As you all know, straight after our show, we have the awesome Asiata. And we have just gotten confirmation that the Manu Boys are going to be here live on Blue TV with Asiata.
Straight after this. Yay!
So make sure you don't go away because they are going to be here. And the sooner we get off, the sooner Asiata comes on and the sooner the Manu Boys come on, right?
The Manu Boys. Manu Boys. I'm still going for Tonga, sorry. MMT, baby. MMT, baby.
Well, I did get dressed by C, the sister C, with a beautiful Tongan dress, so maybe I'm Tongan too.
Maybe. But that's it. You know what? I'm sure everyone's like, come on, ladies, get off. We want to see the Manu Boys right after this. They're going to be here.
Yes.
So a shout out to Raz, Ben and Malu, and of course, the awesome team there at Pacific Easy, who always comes through for us 100%. That's us.
Yes.
Don't forget to tune in tomorrow. We do have some exciting stuff to announce, and we can talk a little bit about our morning routine. That it's going to be a surprise.
Yes.
And we're going to be taking a little bit of footage just for our viewers. Right?
Yes.
Everyone's like, oh my gosh. Get that out of your mind. It's not what you think.
What is it? What do you think?
So, everyone's like,
we're good ladies here, but
Yeah.
we?
tomorrow morning, we're having breakfast in the city. I'm so
Say no
excited.
more.
Say no more. I'm so excited and I cannot wait.
Awesome, guys. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today, and we will see you here again on BluTable Podcast tomorrow at 4 p.m. live, like always. And don't go anywhere because next is Asiata with the Manu Boys. Have a blessed night, guys. Bye.
One love.
Squad, baby. Rex, J. Sands. Let's go. Oh, say I'm Martinez, say you are complete to me, Agelio. By the way that you move and the way that you smile. Say, oh my Dorima, baby, you be giving your hand, I'll take you anywhere. You give me something that I never had. Cause you care, but about to me and the family. Say, why you waiting on me to talk to you? Yeah, I'ma listen what y'all say. Yeah, don't move out in and come here. Yeah, they on the layout, dirty wine, girl, dirty wine. Yeah, say